Hey there makers, I'm here with another new yarn from Lion Brand, and this one was made for home decor. Let's talk about For the Home cording. This is a really unique yarn that's truly cord. It's made of recycled cotton that's wound with polyester. For the Home cording doesn't have stretch to it, so it's a good choice for structured projects like bags and baskets. Anything that you want to hold its shape. But you can also make coasters, placemats, plant hangers, and more. For the Home cording is a worsted weight yarn, and in each skein you get 68 yards. It comes in a great variety of colors, including a wide selection of neutrals that will look beautiful in any room. I love that it's 50% recycled cotton, 50% polyester, and it's easy to care for. You can machine wash and dry projects that you make with For the Home cording. I worked up swatches with this yarn so you can picture how your own projects will turn out. But before I show you those, hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with Lion Brand. For the Home cording definitely works up differently from most yarns you've worked with. It's pretty stiff, but that's what will give your project structure. I knit in stockinette stitch on the recommended needle, and I also did single crochet on the recommended hook. The swatches have little stretch, so I would definitely use this for making market bags and baskets. While I wouldn't say this yarn is soft, it does feel really nice. The texture is smooth and the yarn feels really strong. This is definitely something that will hold up if it's getting a lot of use in your house. I'm really excited for you to try out this yarn from Lion Brand, and I hope it inspires you to try some new home decor projects. Learn more about For the Home cording at lionbrand.com. Happy stitching!